Hi everybody, it's Miss Roth, and today we are going to do a science experiment for our math time. For today's science experiment, we are going to learn how to make bubbles. Letter B, one line down, bubble on top, bubble on the bottom, U, lowercase b, L, E, S. We're going to learn how to make bubbles. I'm going to draw some bubbles too. Circles, bubbles, 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 B, bubbles. All right, so first let's look at what materials Miss Roth has, and you're going to tell me how we can use those materials to make bubbles. All right, here's what we have. Tell me what you see. We have a bowl, letter B. We have a glass of water. We have a straw, measuring cups, measuring spoons, and some Dawn dish soap. Little duckies, ducky D. All right, so we have bowl, water, straw, and soap. Let's take a second to think. How can we use these tools to make bubbles? I'm going to look at my materials again. I'll show you again. Here are my materials. What should we do to make bubbles? If you have an idea, say it out loud or whisper it to yourself. Kiss your brain. You guys are making some good ideas, and our friends during school told us also. We made a recipe. They said we need to put the water into the bowl, step 1. So first let's measure out 1 cup, 1 big cup of water. 1 big cup of water. Here we go. I'm going to pour carefully my water into my cup and fill it up. Let's see. Let's measure it. Is it 1 cup of water? It is. There's my 1 cup of water. 1 cup. And I'm going to pour it into the bowl. 1 cup. Okay. So now our water is done. We'll put it to the side. Now we need to put in some soap. You are right. Let's think. How many squeezes of soap should we put? How many drops of soap? 1, 2, 3. Oh, my friends earlier said we need 3 drops of soap. So can you help me count 3 drops of soap? Count with me. 1, 2, and 3. 3 drops of soap. There's my number 3. 3 drops. Okay, so we've got 3 drops of soap, 1 cup of water, and now there's my bubbles. Pop, 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 pop. Now what should I do with my straw? What do you think Miss Ross should do? You said maybe I should mix it up. Okay, let's see what happens when I mix it up. What do you think's going to happen? What's your prediction? You think it's going to make bubbles? Okay, let's see. Mix, mix, mix. 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 Oh, let's see. Did it make some bubbles? Yeah, it made a couple little bubbles. Oh, you think Miss Roth should blow into the straw? Do you think that's going to make a lot of bubbles or only a little bit of bubbles? A lot of bubbles? Okay, let's find out. Should I drink the soap water? No, I only blow air out of my mouth and into the straw. Let's see what happens. Your prediction is we're going to make a lot of bubbles when I blow into it. Whoa, you guys were right. Your prediction was right. You made bubbles. Okay, help me pop them. Pop, 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 pop. Whoa, those made so many bubbles. I see little rainbows in my bubbles. Look at that. Do you see rainbows too? Okay, I'm gonna now write down my recipe. If you have a crayon or pencil and a piece of paper, you can write down our bubbles recipe and make it with us. Okay, we used 1 cup. Here's my number 1. 1 cup of water. Water. 1 cup of water. There we go. What else did we use? How many drops of soap did we use? Do you remember? Kiss your brain. 3. Let me show you 3 again. 3 drops of soap. So here's 3. Over 3 drops of soap. And then we needed 1, what's this called? 1 straw. 1 straw. There is our recipe for bubbles. 1 cup of water, 3 drops of soap, and 1 straw or fork or whisk if your big person doesn't want you to blow into the soap water. All right, so I hope you get to do your science experiment to make some bubbles. Bubbles. And if you can think of other ways to make bubbles, I'm excited to learn on Friday for Preschool Friday. All right, have fun making bubbles. Bye.